Oh, Danny boy, the small business owner can get so delightfully twisted and turned around about tax deductions and tax credits. Some people that have small businesses think that a tax deduction, like purchasing business meals, is the equivalent to paying a tax bill in full. What they don't understand is that is a tax credit, the poor fools. No. Of course, this isn't stuff that they would talk about in public school. They're too busy with the mitochondria is the powerhouse of the cell. But if they just were to read the language on the IRS's website, they would understand that a deduction partially reduces a taxable burden as if you hadn't earned the income, while a credit effectively pays off an existing tax burden. Credits are better than deductions. Now, what's even better, oh Danny boy, is the common man doesn't think of their tax bill at all. They say things like they're getting a refund from the government. They've really been bamboozled by our marketing. It never fails to amaze me. They forget that I am in the details.